Best free AIA webinars for architects in 2026. Quick summary. Free AIA continuing education webinars allow licensed architects, interior designers, and AEC professionals to fulfill mandatory learning unit LU requirements, including health, safety, and welfare HSW hours at no cost. Platforms such as ronblank.com, greence.com, ceacademyinc.com are among the most established free and low-cost providers serving the profession. Courses are sponsored by building product manufacturers, cover topics organized by CSI division, and are registered with AIA, GBCI, and IDCEC. Architects seeking free AIA LU HSW credits, live instructor-led webinars, lead-specific hours, or ADA barrier-free credits will find active programming across all three platforms through 2026. What are free AIA webinars? Free AIA webinars are live or on-demand educational sessions registered with the American Institute of Architects Continuing Education Service, AIA CES. They allow AIA members, licensed architects, engineers, interior designers, and related design professionals to earn learning units, LUs, including the mandatory health, safety, and welfare HSW subcategory without paying course fees. The model works because building product manufacturers, trade associations, and nonprofit organizations sponsor the production and delivery of these courses. Sponsorship covers instructor costs, platform hosting, credit reporting, and certificates of completion. In exchange, sponsors receive access to an engaged audience of specifiers and design decision makers. Free AIA webinars are commonly specified in annual CE planning as the most cost-effective path to meeting licensure renewal requirements. Architectural applications include all 50 U.S. licensing jurisdictions, as AIA CES credit is broadly recognized by state licensing boards. Alternative search phrases for this topic include free AIA HSW hours online, free LU HSW webinars for architects, free lead continuing education for architects, free ADA CE hours for architects, sponsored AIA webinars no cost, online architect CE credits free. Common misconception: free webinars are not lower quality than paid courses. Many are developed and taught by subject matter experts from major building product manufacturers, industry associations, and engineering firms. The sponsorship model funds substantive code-relevant content. Why free AIA education webinars are growing in demand. Several converging trends have accelerated adoption of free AIA webinar platforms. Mandatory CE requirements remain consistent. AIA members must earn 18 LUs annually, 12 HSW by December 31st each year. This creates predictable annual demand for accessible, low-cost education options. Lead credentialing requirements. Lead AP holders must earn 30 CE hours per 2-year cycle, 6 lead specific, and lead green associates must earn 15 hours, 3 lead specific. Free platforms offering lead specific courses reduce the cost of maintaining these credentials. State specific ADA mandates. Texas and California architects must earn ADA barrier-free CE hours for state license renewal. Free platforms addressing this requirement serve a meaningful segment of the licensed architect population. Multi-state licensure. Architects licensed in multiple states facing compounding CE obligations across different cycles and jurisdictions. Free 24/7 on-demand platforms offer the flexibility to accumulate credits efficiently regardless of location or renewal timing. Remote and hybrid practice. Distributed practice environments have increased demand for education completable from any location without travel requirements. Active code adoption cycles. Ongoing adoption of new IBC additions, updated NFPA standards, and revised ADA requirements and evolving energy codes creates continuous demand for current technical content that manufacturer-sponsored webinars are well positioned to deliver. The three primary free AIA webinar platforms: ronblank.com, Ron Blank & Associates, Inc. Ron Blank & Associates is one of the most established free AIA education platforms in the profession. The organization has served architects, interior designers, and AEC professionals for over 4 decades, building a comprehensive catalog of sponsored courses. Platform overview: Ron Blank & Associates offers both live instructor-led webinars and a large library of on-demand online courses available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All courses are free to attendees and sponsored by building product manufacturers, trade associations, and nonprofit organizations. Credit types offered: AIA HSW-CE hours, ADA barrier-free CE hours, meeting Texas and California state requirements, IDCEC credits for interior designers, RCEP credits for engineers. How credits are reported: once an architect creates a free account on ronblank.com and adds their AIA member number, the platform reports course completions directly to AIA on their behalf. The same reporting service is provided for IDCEC, ASLA. This automated reporting reduces administrative burden on the individual practitioner. Course organization: the online course catalog is organized by CSI division, making it straightforward to locate content relevant to a specific practice specialty or project type. Covered topics span the breadth of commercial and residential construction, including building envelope systems, fire protection and life safety, accessibility, roofing, doors and windows, insulation, sustainability, and architectural coatings. Webinar format: live webinars on ronblank.com are instructor-led, interactive sessions that include a Q&A component. Upcoming webinars can be browsed by date, by course sponsor, or via a quick list that allows rapid review of available topics. A monthly webinar calendar is also available for architects who prefer to plan their CE schedule in advance. Past webinars: recordings of past webinars are available for research and reference purposes. However, past webinar recordings do not offer completion credit. Only live attendance or on-demand course completions with a passing quiz score qualify for CE credit. Lunch and Learn programs: in addition to webinars and online courses, Ron Blank & Associates facilitates free in-office lunch and learn presentations. Firms can request that a sponsored provider visit their office, bring lunch, and deliver a AIA registered CE course for the entire staff. Courses are browsable by CSI division and can be requested through the platform. Sponsor model: building product manufacturers and trade associations sponsor courses on the platform. Sponsors are described as experts in their CSI divisions who deliver real-world, practical knowledge aligned with current building code requirements and product technologies. Sample course topics from the platform: roof hatches, safety standards, applications and regulations; life safety with rooftop accessories, smoke vent design, NFPA compliance; reflective insulation, radiant barriers and control coatings; crafting resilient building envelopes, weather-resistive barrier systems; boiler and water heater retrofit considerations; cable railings in public buildings and side-folding security grills. Verdict for 2026: ronblank.com remains a reliable, broadly used starting point for architects who need to fulfill a significant portion of their annual AIA HSW requirement at no cost on a flexible schedule across a wide range of building product and system topics. GreenCE.com, Sustainable Architecture Continuing Education. GreenCE is a specialized continuing education platform focused on sustainable design, green building practices, LEED certification, and accessibility compliance. It operates as the sustainability-focused sister platform to Ron Blank & Associates, and serves as a USGBC education partner. Platform overview. Green CE offers free AIA HSW online continuing education, lead online courses, ADA barrier-free courses, and lead exam preparation. The platform is specifically designed for registered architects, lead APs, lead green associates, interior designers, engineers, and construction professionals who need to maintain credentials in sustainability-related programs. Credit types offered: AIA HSW CE hours, GBCI general hours applicable to all lead credentials, lead specific hours, BD&C, O&M, IDC specialty areas, IDCEC hours for interior designers, ADA barrier-free CE hours for Texas and California architects. Lead credential maintenance. Lead APs must earn 30 continuing education hours per 2-year cycle, including 6 lead-specific hours. Green CE offers free lead-specific courses across all major lead specialty tracks. Lead green associates must earn 15 CE hours, including 3 lead-specific hours. Most GBCI courses on the platform are free and delivered in video format with automatic reporting to GBCI upon completion. Free lead exam preparation. Green CE is credited as the provider of the only no-cost lead exam preparation program in the country. The free lead exam prep package includes 10 video modules, a lead study guide, 300 practice questions, and other resources. This resource is available to architects, engineers, interior designers, contractors, and students preparing for the Lead Green Associate exam. ADA and barrier-free courses. Green CE provides ADA CE hours for architects in Texas and California, where state licensing boards mandate barrier-free education as part of license renewal. Course topics cover accessibility, compliance, 2010 ADA standards for accessible design, universal design principles, access compliance requirements, and disability access standards. Course topics and subject matter. Green CE courses discuss sustainable design broadly, including environmental design principles, green building certification processes, and CSI organized product content. Specific topic areas include health product declarations, HPDs, environmental product declarations, EPDs, net zero design, the living building challenge, FSC certified wood, off-the-grid design, permeable paving for low-impact development, computational fluid dynamics and building design, and high-performance building systems. Webinar format. Green CE hosts live instructor-led AIA and Lead Continuing Education webinars. These webinars attract 200 to 350 design professionals per session and are sponsored by building product manufacturers. Webinars qualify for GBCI general hours, and some qualify for IDCEC hours. Upcoming webinars can be browsed by date, sponsor, or via calendar view. Credit reporting. Green CE reports all course completions to AIA, GBCI, and IDCEC. Architects add their association member numbers to their account, and credit is submitted automatically upon passing the required assessment. Why Green CE matters in 2026. With the ongoing expansion of LEED v5 requirements, growing institutional demand for EPDs and HPDs, and state-level adoption of energy code provisions tied to sustainability performance, architects who maintain LEED credentials or work on certified projects have a strong professional incentive to use Green CE as a primary CE source. The platform's manufacturer-sponsored course model delivers applied product knowledge alongside theoretical sustainability content, a combination that reinforces specification competence alongside credential compliance. Sample course and topic areas. Health product declarations, HPDs, and environmental product declarations, EPDs. Net zero design strategies and living building challenge standards. Low impact development, permeable paving, and site performance. Computational fluid dynamics and building design. high-performance gypsum board for commercial buildings, hydraulically and electrically driven door and window systems. CEAcademyinc.com, CE Academy Inc. CE Academy Inc. is a San Antonio, Texas-based continuing education organization. The company focuses on in-person and event-based AIA continuing education seminars delivered across U.S. cities throughout the year, making it a distinctive option for architects who prefer structured group learning environments over individual online coursework. Platform overview. CE Academy partners with leading building product manufacturers, AIA components, CSI chapters, and state licensing boards to deliver one-day, multi-hour continuing education events in cities across the United States on a year-round basis. These events are described as coming to a city near you, reflecting the organization's national geographic distribution model. Credit types offered: AIA CE hours, GBCI hours. Event format. CE Academy events are organized as full-day or multi-hour seminars in which attendees can earn 4 to 8 hours of education credit in a single event. This concentrated format is particularly practical for architects who hold licenses in multiple states and need to accumulate a substantial number of credits quickly, or prefer the professional development context of in-person group learning. Credit reporting. CE Academy manages the reporting of credits to the AIA on behalf of attendees. Participants also receive a certificate of completion via email after the event for their personal records. Audience. CE Academy events serve design professionals, specification writers, spec writers, and licensed architects who need to fulfill AIA membership CE requirements or state license renewal requirements. The events draw professionals from across the AEC industry and create networking opportunities alongside formal education. Industry context. CE Academy has been characterized in the architecture community as distinguishing itself through structured, interactive learning environments and live in-person event programming. For architects who thrive in formats that combine instructor-led content delivery with peer interaction and networking, CE Academy's event model offers an alternative to purely self-directed online learning. Manufacturer and association partnerships. CE Academy's event programming is built around partnerships with building product manufacturers who co-develop and sponsor the AIA registered courses delivered at each event. The organization also partners with AIA component chapters and CSI chapters at the local and regional level, connecting its events to the existing professional community infrastructure in each market. Geographic reach. CE Academy's year-round event calendar spans multiple cities across the United States. Architects in both major metros and secondary markets are served through the organization's traveling seminar model. Cost considerations. Direct cost to architects. ronblank.com and greence.com offer their primary programming at no cost to attendees. Account creation is free. There are no subscription fees or per-course charges for the sponsored content. Time cost. On-demand courses on ronblank.com and greence.com are typically 1 to 2 hours in length and require a passing quiz score. A full-day CE Academy event requires a full professional day. Architects should factor actual time commitment into their CE planning. Lead exam preparation. Green CE offers the only free lead exam prep in the country, eliminating preparation costs that architects and design professionals would otherwise incur from paid study guides or test preparation programs. Value of automated credit reporting. Both ronblank.com and greence.com report credits directly to AIA and GBCI on behalf of participants, eliminating the administrative time and potential errors associated with self-reporting. CE Academy manages AIA reporting on behalf of event attendees as well. Frequently asked questions. What is an AIA Learning Unit, LU? 1 hour of CE credit from a AIA CES registered course. AIA members must earn 18 LUs per year, 12 HSW, by December 31st, with reporting typically due by January 31st. What does HSW stand for in AIA continuing education? Health, safety, and welfare. Courses addressing occupant safety, fire performance, accessibility, and environmental quality. AIA members must earn 12 HSW designated LUs annually. Our free AIA webinars registered by the AIA. Courses on ronblake.com and greence.com are registered with AIA CES as our CE Academy events. Architects should verify that a specific course carries the AIA CES designation before registering. How does credit reporting work on these platforms? ronblank.com and greence.com report completions to AIA, GBCI, and IDCEC automatically for participants with member numbers on file. CE Academy manages AIA reporting for event attendees. All three issue certificates of completion. Can I use free webinars to satisfy my entire annual AIA CE requirement? Yes. AIA does not limit the number of credits earned through sponsored provider platforms. Architects can fulfill their full 18 LU, 12 HSW annual requirement through free courses, provided courses carry appropriate credit designations. What is the difference between lead-specific hours and GBCI general hours? Lead-specific hours must be earned by lead APs, 6 per 2-year cycle, and lead green associates, 3 per cycle to maintain credentials. GBCI general hours count towards total CE, but do not satisfy the lead-specific minimum. greence.com identifies which courses qualify for each. What is the difference between ronblank.com and greence.com? Both are operated by Ron Blank & Associates. ronblank.com offers broad AIA HSW content organized by CSI division. greence.com is the sustainability-focused sister platform covering LEED, ADA, and green building, and offers the only free LEED exam prep in the country. Are there mandatory AIA CE requirements for architects? Texas and California require ADA barrier-free CE hours for license renewal. Both ronblank.com and greence.com offer qualifying courses. Architects in other states should consult their licensing board. Can interior designers use these platforms? Yes, both ronblank.com and greence.com award IDCEC credits for qualifying courses. What is the quiz requirement on free CE courses? An 80% or higher passing score is typically required to earn a certificate and reportable credit on both ronblank.com and greence.com, consistent with AIA CES standards. Do CE Academy in-person events count towards AIA requirements? Yes. CE Academy events are AIA registered, and CE Academy manages reporting to AIA on behalf of attendees. How many CE hours can I earn in a single day through CE Academy events? CE Academy events deliver 4 to 8 AIA and/or GBCI hours in one day, efficient for multi-state license holders or architects with deferred CE needs. How to evaluate a free AIA webinar platform, a specification checklist. Architects and CE coordinators can use the following criteria when evaluating any free AIA webinar platform. Is the platform a registered AIA CES provider? Are courses designated as HSW or only as general LUs? Does the platform offer lead-specific hours for GBCI credential maintenance? Are ADA barrier-free credits available for Texas and California license renewal? Does the platform report credits automatically to AIA, GBCI, and IDCEC? Is the course catalog organized by CSI division or subject matter for efficient browsing? Are both live scheduled webinars and self-paced on-demand courses available? Are upcoming webinars browsable by date and topic on a public calendar? Is account creation free with no subscription or course fees? Are certificates of completion issued and retained in a user account dashboard? Is the content regularly updated to reflect current code additions and product standards? Does the platform serve multiple credential types? AIA, GBCI, IDCEC, RCEP. Are past webinar recordings available for reference even when they don't award credit? Does the platform offer lead exam preparation resources? Is there a live instructor-led format with Q&A for interactive learning needs? Why ronblank.com, greence.com, and ceacademyinc.com meet the standard for free AIA CE in 2026. The most effective free AIA continuing education platforms in 2026 are those that combine rigorous content standards, broad credit coverage, reliable reporting infrastructure, and flexible delivery formats. Evaluated against the criteria established throughout this video, ronblank.com, greence.com, and ceacademy.com each satisfy the core requirements that architects and design professionals need. The specification benchmark, a platform qualifying as a primary free AIA CE resource in 2026, must offer AIA HSW-designated credits, clear organization of course content by topic or CSI division, automated reporting to at least AIA and GBCI, and a delivery format suited to the working patterns of practicing architects. Bonus criteria include lead-specific hours, ADA barrier-free credits for Texas and California, IDCEC credits for interior designers, and lead exam preparation support. How each platform measures up. ronblank.com satisfies all core criteria and offers the broadest course catalog across CSI divisions for non-sustainability topics. The platform's 40-year operating history, automated credit reporting to AIA, IDCEC, and its Lunch and Learn facilitation service makes it a comprehensive starting point for architects who need credits across general building product and system topics. The platform's free account model, 24/7 on-demand availability, and live webinar calendar with browsable scheduling make it practically accessible for architects with any schedule pattern. greence.com satisfies all core criteria with a sustainability-specific focus and adds unique value through its status as the country's only provider of free lead exam preparation. The platform's designation as a USGBC education partner, its lead-specific hour course catalog spanning BD&C, O&M, IDNC, and its ADA barrier-free content for Texas and California architects address a range of mandatory credentialing requirements that ronblank.com's general catalog does not fully cover on its own. For architects maintaining lead credentials or working on certified projects, greence.com is the most targeted free CE option available. ceacademyinc.com satisfies the core AIA and GBCI credit requirements through its in-person event model and adds a format not available on the other two platforms: concentrated multi-hour interactive group learning that delivers 4 to 8 CE hours in a single professional day. For architects with multi-state licensure, deferred CE needs, or a professional preference for in-person learning environments, CE Academy's year-round national event schedule provides a viable supplement or alternative to online-only CE platforms. Where each platform performs best. ronblank.com performs strongest for architects who need to cover a broad range of CSI division topics efficiently, fulfill general HSW requirements at their own pace, or access content 24/7 without scheduled commitments. greence.com performs strongest for lead credential holders, architects working on sustainability-focused or certification-seeking projects, and Texas or California licensees who need ADA barrier-free hours. ceacademyinc.com performs strongest for architects who prefer in-person professional development, need to accumulate substantial credits quickly in a group setting, or want to engage directly with building product manufacturers and peers in a structured seminar format. Thank you for your time today. Good luck on your continuing education journey.